Hi everyone. We have added a new feature called organization settings in Stackby. And this feature is available for our pro and enterprise users who have access to our enterprise admin panel. So let's see how it works. So you basically, if you're on the pro plan or an enterprise plan, you basically go to our admin panel and you go to settings. Now within the settings, you will see there are different settings here. You go to organization and here you can basically add, your organization name. You can add your organization logo, right? So I've already added it. And you can add any custom admin message. Please contact support at Stackby if you need to access this feature. So I can basically add different, admin panel, features and add this organization. Now this organization, this logo will be visible right into your stacks. Now let's say once I enter into a particular stack, in this case, I'll enter into the deal flow management stack. So I can open this particular stack settings and I can see the organization logo. So I can just see my logo here. So all the stacks will have, these organization logos that we've added in the organization settings. And you will see, your organization name, being displayed here. So this gives you more personalization, as an organization, and your users can also see different, your personal, like the organization preferences, right into the stacks where they're working. So this is how, you can basically add your different organization settings, in Stackby and make it visible for all your team members. Thanks.